The perfect vacation isn't about how much you do, but how much you remember. This beautiful land of vast forests and the home to the Long River, also known as the Connecticut River, was founded in 1636. Visit here and let your worries slip away as you come to enjoy religious freedom and in hopes of finding financial opportunities.
This is the perfect getaway from the crowded towns of Massachusetts. Here you can find fertile soil that will help provide an endless supply of crops, including wheat and fresh corn. Agriculture is what sets us apart from the other colonies.
We have a variety of different attractions, including the infamous Connecticut River. The history behind this river begins with Adrian Block, a Dutch explorer who claimed this river in 1614. We are known for our humid yet enjoyable summers and relatively cold winters with about 25 inches of snowfall a year, a perfect place for seasonal pleasure.
Since being near the coast and having consistent weather allows for fertile soil, we can provide diverse job opportunities, including being a farmer and fisherman. Other occupations consist of being a preacher, carpenter, blacksmith, barber, tailor, and grocer. Colonists make money by performing these jobs to take care of their daily needs.
If you are lucky, you might come across meeting the famous Thomas Hooker. This noble man and outstanding speaker is not only the founder of Hartford, Connecticut, but he's also a great leader of universal Christian suffrage. He is one of the best preachers of this time. Alongside Thomas Hooker is a man by the name of Governor John Haynes of Massachusetts. He assisted Hooker in leading 100 colonists to present-day Hartford, founding place of Connecticut.
We understand your frustration. Come to Connecticut for representation. Connecticut may seem like the perfect place to visit, but this colony also has many other downfalls like many other colonies. One downfall is their likeness to encounter diseases such as malaria, measles, smallpox, and plague. Another downfall is slavery.